I'm an idiot.
I know. Good morning, you guys, and welcome to another vlog. I'm loving filming these vlogs for you guys, so I hope you guys are enjoying them. It's about noon. I'm about to make breakfast. I've been doing Whole30. This is day 3 for me, and I feel so good. And it's not necessarily Whole30 that's making me feel so good. It's just whenever I'm in a routine of eating healthy, I just feel so freaking amazing. So right now I'm just chopping up all the veggies because I'm gonna make a veggie scramble, and then I have bacon in the oven. So that's what is for breakfast today. I'm probably gonna top it with a little bit of hot sauce and some avocado, and we are good for breakfast. So, I don't remember if I mentioned this, but not only am I doing Whole30, but I'm still counting calories because I don't want to eat an excess of calories just because it's healthy foods, because I'm not going to see weight loss. So I'm kind of combining the two, and I'm hoping that I double whammy that weight loss. And I know it's not all about weight loss, but I've gained 30 pounds. It's about weight loss. So the other day, 2 days ago, so day 1 of Whole30, I made this same veggie egg scramble bowl type of thing. It was so freaking good, which is why I'm making it again. Then for a snack, I had a couple of those little Halo cutie clementine things. Bomb. And then for dinner, we made a recipe that was so freaking good. It was called lemon, Greek lemon chicken skewers, I think, something like that, where you marinate big chunks of chicken in it's lemon, olive oil, garlic, oregano, cayenne pepper, something else. If I can find the recipe, I'll leave it down below. You let that marinate, and then you put them on the skewer sticks and then barbecue them. So good. And then we made zucchini, because we had zucchini that was going bad. So we did the chicken on the skewers along with bell pepper and onion, and then just had zucchini, barbecued zucchini on the side. It was so delicious. We did go to Target earlier this morning, and I picked up some groceries. Well, we did a Target pickup. We picked up groceries and stuff that we needed, and then I picked up some note cards with envelopes because I'm going to be writing each one of my students a little handwritten letter, just saying how much I miss them and that I hope they're doing well, even though, I'm in contact with them still, but I think it would just be fun for them to get a handwritten letter from their teacher. So I'm gonna do that at some point today. And then at some point today, I do need to work on a cookie order. I do have a cookie order this week. I'm working on some cookie kits. These ones come with mermaid tails, little mini shells, and then starfish, 2 different kinds of sprinkles. There'll be 3 different colors of icing, and then an instruction card. And I'm working on a bunch more. So these were orders that were placed for birthdays months ago, and I'm talking December probably. So I've been getting a bunch of classwork, school stuff done, talking to some students, and I totally forgot that I have a Zoom meeting right now. I woke up not too long ago, made myself a little cup of coffee, and I am finishing up a cookie order that I have. It's nowhere near being done yet, but I have purple starfish, white shells that I kind of did a little bit of pink watercolor on, and then the fins, the mermaid fins. So the mermaid fins and the shells still is going to have another layer of icing on top, so I know it looks kind of harsh, but that's not how it's going to be. Excuse all of this mess, but as you can see, we have a little wooden table behind our couch now. If you missed that, we were making that in the last vlog, and by we, I mean he. I just kind of helped a little bit. I've always wanted just a thin wooden table behind there, so that's what we did in the last vlog if you want to go check that out. But now we need something up here. So he actually found online, but it's literally what I've always wanted. These hexagon shapes that you kind of piece together. I'm gonna stain this, so it's not gonna be that natural wood color, but we're gonna piece them together and then put a lot of greenery in it. I think it's gonna be so pretty. And he's out there making more of those hexagons, so let's go spy on him. He's just piecing them all together. I'm so excited for this to be done. Once he pieces all of these hexagons together, oh, he finished another one. Once he pieces all of this together, then I can stain it Obviously let it dry and air out a little bit, and then we're hanging it somehow. I don't know. Update, I'm watching these anti-MLM videos. They are absolutely everything. So these are all done. I added a little spritz of like edible glitter on these. So this is how they all came out. I think they're super freaking cute. Once they are dried a little bit, I'll like arrange them and take a picture for Instagram. If you guys want to follow my cookie Instagram, go for it. You don't have to, of course. It's just pretty much for people who are interested, like local people who are interested to place an order. They can like see my work that I've done. So if you guys want to follow that, I will leave the link down in the description box. Finally done with bagging the icing, and wow, I mean, this is such a mess. So I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. Last night we made Whole30 brownies and they were disgusting, but I don't want to throw them away. So I'm gonna package these up and I don't know. I don't even know if I could eat them again. They were not good, but I don't want to throw them away. So I'm gonna clean up this mess and then I'm gonna start packaging up the cookie kits. I filled every single one of these little to-go food containers with paper shreds. I just got them from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to put the cookies, one of each sprinkle, and then one of each color icing in the box. It should look something like this. Let me put the icing in here. So that's pretty much what it'll look like. It has a variety of cookies, 2 different types of sprinkles, and then the 3 colors of icing and the instruction kit. These kits are obviously mermaid themed, but I have done unicorn themed, I've done dinosaur theme, I've done Easter theme, and then I threw in a couple filled Easter eggs for the kiddos. So these are super fun. They're really easy to do if you need ideas at home for your kids. I just finished my coffee and it is time for food. I think I'm gonna make a grilled, no, do I want that? I might make a grilled chicken salad and make my own dressing with olive oil, lemon or lime, and then garlic and like salt and pepper. So I think I'm gonna do that now. So today is day 4 of Whole30 and I'm going strong. I haven't even really like had any cravings for crap food, which is nice. We also sauteed some onions and bell pepper the other night. So I'm gonna put some of that in here as well, and we're just gonna make a nice big ol' chicken and veggie salad. So this dressing is just gonna be a little bit of olive oil, some lemon juice. I'm gonna do pepper, a little salt, some garlic, and I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper for a little spice. This looks so freaking good. It smells so garlicky, which I love. I'm gonna try it. Stop it right now. Oh my god, this is so good. Okay, I'm gonna go finish this and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Good morning, you guys. Happy Saturday. I'm so excited. Like, I just feel so good, which is a total change from the beginning of this quarantine. I was like in a deep depression, like for real. Today is day 6 of Whole30. I just woke up. I have not eaten yet because I want to use the restroom, if you know what I mean. And then weigh. So every Saturday is going to be weigh day or weigh-in day, and I plan on getting it on video. And then hopefully coloring in blocks on my weight loss chart. So I'm gonna do that with you guys here in a little bit. So I just weighed, and I'm gonna go ahead and insert the clip right here. 262.6. I am so excited, and I never thought I'd hear myself say I'm excited over that number, but I am, because that means I lost 2.4 pounds this week. And I'm gonna go ahead and go over to my little chart and color it in with you guys. So how I'm doing it is, even if I'm like 262.9, I still get to color in the 262 box because I'm in the 262s. So I was 262.6. So we get to color in 3 of them. So 2.4 down, and to be honest with you, I'm pretty sure my starting weight was more than 265. I think it was like 266.9, so pretty much 267, but we're just gonna go with that 265 weight. So got to color in 3 boxes. Now I almost can't wait till next Saturday so I can hopefully color in more. So I was out here yesterday ready to stain and realized that we have no idea where the stain went. Just gone, literally gone. We have a couple other ones, but it's not the colors I wanted. Like this one was way too red, and then this one is just not the color I want. So I have 3 new colors here, and we're gonna see which one looks the best, and then we're gonna stain all of these hexagons. I forgot the gloves. I'll be right back. So this is how the first one came out. I'm liking the color. I'll just wait for it to dry and see like if the color changes at all. In the meantime, I'm going to work on the rest. I just finished staining all of these. Carlos had some extra wood, so he made a giant one. We have no idea what or if we're even going to use that one, but I just wanted to stain it anyway just to get that out of the way. But I think they look so nice. I know this might not be the color for some of you, but this is literally what I envisioned, and I think it's gonna look so good up on the wall with a lot of greenery in it. So I'm freaking excited. In case I didn't share, it was the color Early American, and it's the Minwax stain. So I had my Amazon package come, and yes, I washed my hands and disinfected everything. Don't you worry. I'm not gonna say that anymore in my videos. Just know that I'm not dumb, and I'm obviously making sure I'm being safe about everything. But I ordered some donut and cupcake stickers. I know, super random, but I wrote each one of my students a little handwritten note. I don't really like want to show you like their address or anything, but I wrote them a little handwritten note, and I just wanted to put like a couple fun stickers in there for them so they have something to look forward to. So yeah, I'm gonna rip off some of these stickers, stuff these envelopes, and then hopefully get these bad boys mailed off today or tomorrow. Darn camera, or my SD card filled up, so I had to go delete some stuff. But what I was saying was, I have one student who's obsessed with cupcakes, like obsessed. She actually wants to open up her own little like cupcake shop, so I'm gonna make sure she gets some of the cupcake stickers, and then the rest they probably don't mind, just whatever. So those of you guys who are teachers, how is it going for you? All I can say is I was not meant to teach from home, let me tell you that. It is just not meant for me. It's exhausting and a little bit frustrating. There's actually, I know I mentioned I've been watching like a ridiculous amount of TikTok videos, and there's one video I came across that could not be more me. Could not be more of a mood. I mean, I'm gonna insert it actually right here because it's literally how I feel.
Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater. Interior crocodile.
You spend all your time trying to explain and you think it's very clear, and then you get hit with that, what do I do? Wait, you want me to post what? It's like, but I love them. I'm trying to be patient. I know this is new for all of us, so it's no big deal. Okay, so I accidentally cut an extra sticker, so I'm gonna go through and just, they will never know. I'm gonna stick it in the student's envelope who has been participating the most. So we're just gonna give them a little extra sticker. Shh, don't tell.
Oh, it'd help if I plugged it in, huh? I'm an idiot.
I know.
1,
We have the ones in the middle clamped. I'm sorry, the ones in the middle screwed, and then the ones on the outside clamped here, and he's going to come out in a minute and then screw these last boys together, and then we're going to add the stuff so that way we can hang it up on the wall. What is that called? Those things. We're gonna use these like little picture frame hanging things and probably do it from like 3 or 4 different spots. So here he comes now. And this is what it looks like. It's gonna look so good on the wall with all of the greenery. I should put a picture of just me in every single hexagon. I almost said hectagon. Alright, so we finished, and by we I mean Carlos finished this, adding the 2 outlets to the back couch table thingy, and then get ready for it! How cute is that? Come on. How freaking cute. We just threw some of the plants and stuff that we already had up here. We might change it up, not sure. Threw a little bit of decor down over here in this corner, but come on. This is a view of it kind of as a whole. It's just so cute. So now we need to situate this wall. I think if we had another one of these right next to it, it would look cute.